I'm currently obsessed with trying out different breakfast recipes. Like today, I'm going to be showing you how to make chapati za maji, aka mkorogo, and in English we call them crepes, but with a twist. To get started, I'm going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour to my big bowl, sugar, and salt. Those are the dry ingredients, and using my whisk I'm going to whisk in the dry ingredients together to combine. Whisking the all-purpose flour is going to make the flour very light, so don't skip on that. Next I'm going to crack in 1 egg. Then using my whisk I'm going to whisk in the egg into the all-purpose flour while adding in water. So I'm going to add in the water in intervals as I stir in the batter. Scrape the bottom of the bowl to make sure all the all-purpose flour is fully combined into the batter. Add in some more water. Mix. So when you use a whisk, it's going to be easier for you to get rid of lumps in the batter. As you can see, mine is turning out very smooth. Add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Whisk everything to combine and the batter is ready, and as you can see it's very smooth with no lumps. Once everything is ready, you're going to place a non-stick pan over medium flame. I'm going to scoop out my butter and add in the pan, and immediately I add the butter. I'm going to spread the butter around by moving the pan in a circular motion. Give the chapati ya maji about a minute. Once you start noticing a very nice golden brown color on the edges of the chapati ya maji, you're going to flip. Add in a little bit of oil so that you can have some lovely dark spots on the chapati ya maji. Give it about a minute to cook and transfer to your plate. Add in the next batter. I love how my breakfast is turning out. The chapati za maji are looking so delicious. Add in some more butter. And you have to be very quick while spreading the butter around in the pan because you want the chapati ya maji to cook evenly. So I'll give this about a minute. When you notice some lovely golden brown color on top, you're going to flip. Add in a little bit of cooking oil. And using a spatula, you're going to spread around the oil as the chapati ya maji cooks. Flip, and wow, just look at that. This looks very delicious. I'm going to place aside. Add in some more butter. Spread the butter around. Chapati za Maji are coming along nicely, and I love the golden spots on my crepes. It's been an amazing 20 minutes and the chapati za Maji have turned out so good. I'm going to enjoy with a cup of tea. And let me tell you, if you try out this recipe, you'll be making chapati za Maji every morning for your kids or your family. So I hope to catch you on my next video.